we got here is a very late new bike video. I'm pretty much wanting to give an overview because I am getting ready to ride this rig for the Hilly coming up real soon this weekend. Gang. So this is the rig. New Devote. I will be riding this for the Hilly this weekend. It originally came stock with size 40 millimeter tires. However, I decided to go up to the Terraville Cannonball 47s. Clearly, this new Devote can go up bigger, can take bigger wheels rather. I can probably put 50 millimeter, but this is what I had in the basement. Um, yeah, and these should work awesomely. Other upgrade is I did add a power meter crank here and actually put narrower handlebars on here. These from this end to this end is about 40, but I actually think they're smaller. I think they're like 38 millimeter carbon 3T bars. And bottle cages, yeah, they don't match. But it's what I got in the house, and that's what I put on. And we're running a bell. Every bike needs a bell. And see what we got in the storage compartment. Mini tool, extra battery, tire levers, gang, chamois butter, gotta have that, and a plug. Dark kit. It has two different sizes on each end, and oh yeah, a patch kit is in here, and a valve pull remover. Gang, gang. So yeah, that's the bike. On my person, I'll definitely carry a pump. Always carry real pumps, especially for gnarly events. Hilly is one of those classic West Pennsylvania type of races. It's gonna be creek crossings, gnarly, ascents and descents, like technical, twisty, that. And this race was originally been started by an OG race promoter, JR, which is it's now being taken over by a different group. But this is definitely one to do at least once for sure. Since I'm coming back from injury, and I'm gonna try to have as much fun as possible with it. There is about 79, 80 miles with about 7,900 feet of climbing. So it's gonna be real disrespectful. But my eyes are wide open. I know my legs are gonna be hurt, possibly other parts of my body, and it's supposed to be hot and humid. We're gonna see what we can do.